In today's video, I'll walk you through how to edit sequences in HubSpot, step by step, in a simple way that's perfect for beginners. Sequences in HubSpot are used to automate follow-ups, such as emails and tasks, so you can stay consistent when reaching out to contacts. Editing a sequence lets you adjust messages, timing, or steps whenever your strategy changes. Let's get started. First, make sure you're logged in to your HubSpot account. From the main dashboard, look at the top menu and click on Sales. In the drop-down, find and select Sequences. This will take you to the page where all your sequences are managed. If you're new to sequences, you may see a Setup or Upgrade screen. Once you have access, you'll be able to view existing sequences or create new ones. For now, focus on the sequence you want to edit. In the list, find the sequence you're working with. When you hover over it, you'll see a few options. Click on the sequence name to open it, or use the Edit option, usually shown as a pencil icon or inside an Actions menu. Once the sequence opens, you can start making changes. You can rename the sequence, edit email content, adjust delays between steps, or add and remove tasks. Everything is editable, so you can tailor the sequence to match your current goals. After making your changes, make sure to save the sequence. This ensures all updates are applied before you use it with contacts. That's all there is to it. Editing sequences in HubSpot is straightforward, and once you're comfortable with it, you'll be able to manage follow-ups more efficiently and stay organized. And that's how you edit sequences in HubSpot. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.